Today I'm going to review the Owlet Baby Monitor Smart Sock 2. I give this a 3.5 out of 5 stars. I'll tell you why. What's going on? Welcome to today's review video. My name's Colton. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Owlet Baby Monitor Smart Sock 2 that I purchased from Target. I'll go into a little bit why I gave it only a 3.5 stars, but first, if this is your first time here, checking out this video or our channel, we ask that you'd subscribe. The reason for that is we produce project videos and review videos and showing you how easy it is to turn your house into a home. If you want to see other review videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click this link right up here. Owlet did a good job at putting together an item that is a luxury. Now keep in mind, my wife and I had a premature baby and we were sent home with a hospital-issued pulse oximeter. The Owlet Baby Monitor does not prevent SIDS, but it helps parents have a little bit more of a peace of mind in how their child is doing while they're sleeping. Unfortunately, my wife and I didn't like the Owlet Baby Monitor Smart Sock 2 that much to keep it, so we actually went ahead and returned it, but let's get into a little bit more detail. The Smart Sock 2 itself fits on the baby pretty well. However, if you have a premature baby or an early baby, the smallest size sock will still seem a little big and you may get some false readings or errors. The sock is BPA free, latex free, and lead free, and it's pretty soft. This is machine washable. Just make sure you take out the sensor so you don't mess that up. And believe me, after a few uses of having the sock on your child, you will want to wash it. There is a little cutout allowing you to charge the sensor without having to remove the sensor from the sock, which brings me to the battery life of this sensor. It's not very good. We didn't expect to get a low battery notification within the first 24 hours, and we thought it would last a lot longer. As far as the accuracy readings of the heart rate and oxygen level, it's really sensitive. If there's the slightest movement or wiggling, it won't get an accurate read. Our baby had to be sent home with a pulse oximeter, and I was able to compare the Owlet readings to the pulse oximeter and see how accurate they really were. The heart rate reading is the closest to be accurate, but the oxygen level on the Owlet is always reading lower. As long as the base station is on, you will always have a light emitting from it. The most common lights it will be is white while charging and green when everything's good. Here's a quick comparison that probably doesn't do it justice, but this is a wall night light compared to the Owlet, and the night light actually brightens up the room more than the Owlet does. The Owlet light is likely an LED, but the transparent ring around the base station almost has a smoky finish, so really the light is pretty soft when the base station is on. When the sensor does go off, it sounds like this. So it can get a little loud, but to turn it off, just push the base station. Thank you so much for checking out this review video. Again, this item may be perfect for you and your family, but it just didn't fit our family. We felt like it was something that wasn't necessary and was pretty costly and was luxurious. If you want to see other review videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click this link right here, and don't forget to click this icon to subscribe so you don't miss out on future project or review videos that we have coming up. In the meantime, you can check out our social media pages, Facebook and Instagram, that you can find right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.